Welcome to Krumble Kids YouTube channel. Let's get started.
The Jungle Symphony.
In the heart of a lush jungle, there lived a wise lion named Jerry, a cheerful macaw named Polly, and a clever panda named Andy. Jerry, the king of the jungle, often organized grand gatherings to promote unity and harmony among the animals. One sunny morning, Jerry announced a jungle symphony to celebrate the beauty of diversity. He asked each animal to bring their unique talent. Polly, with her vibrant feathers, agreed to sing the sweetest melodies, and with her graceful moves, promised to lead the dance. As the day approached, the jungle buzzed with excitement. However, a sly snake named Sly, feeling left out, planned to disrupt the event. He spread rumors that the symphony was only for the elite. When Jerry heard of this, he called for a meeting. Every animal, no matter how small or big, has a role in our symphony, he declared. Unity is our strength. The day of the symphony arrived, and despite Sly's efforts, the jungle resonated with beautiful music and dance. Sly, moved by the harmony, realized his mistake and apologized. All the animals smiled and said, "Together we create magic. Unity and acceptance make us strong."
The moral of the story is that unity and acceptance are powerful forces that bring harmony and strength to a community. Each individual, regardless of their size or abilities, has a unique and valuable role to play. By embracing diversity and working together, even past misunderstandings and mistakes can be overcome, leading to a more vibrant and cohesive society.
Wow! Kiddos, you are the real rock stars. We had a blast exploring, learning, and laughing together. To continue this adventure experience, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our awesome adventures. Remember, my little kiddos, stay curious, stay awesome, keep exploring, and always be kind. Until next time, bye-bye, and see you soon.